everybody, and how are you? Where will we go? What will we learn? I know, follow me, it's around this turn.
Hello boys and girls! Listen, when I was a little girl, I used to love swinging around just like a little silly monkey. And I want to show you today how much fun we used to have swinging on a rope and just having fun in the play area. Come join me. We're going to see some of our friends again and they're going to have some fun on all these equipment. Are you ready to see them swing? Here we go. Go, Caleb! Go, 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 go! Give MC a turn. A lovely milkshake. It's so nice. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Enjoy. What is this? Sand. What's the sand doing? Look at the sand. What is in my hand? What's the sand doing? Look at this, Lucy. Looky, looky, looky. Hello. Looky. Ready? And now. Giddy up, horsey. Hello everyone! Here we go! I did it! Woohoo! Yay! So much fun, everybody! You need to go forward. How do I get out? Bye, everyone! See you next time! Hello! Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's Miss Debbi. Hit the like button if you like our videos and follow us because we'd like to have some more fun with you. See you soon!